Welcome to the first tutorial on the e-Ducato, the commercial vehicle that is 100% electric and 100% Ducato, with the same features and lineup as the internal combustion engine version. The e-Ducato delivers 90 kilowatts of power and 280 Newton meters of torque. It is driven by high-voltage batteries, available in a 3-module version or a 5-module version, 47 kilowatt-hours and 79 kilowatt-hours respectively, capable of a range of up to 229 miles, 370 kilometers. First and foremost, remember that driving an electric vehicle is exactly like driving one with an internal combustion engine, with the addition of several opportunities offered by the innovative technology for maximizing the battery charge. Before setting off, let's have a look at the controls, the instrument panel, and the control unit. You can see the conventional odometer on the left-hand side of the instrument panel. The Echo Coaching indicator, which provides real-time information on your driving style, is on the right. The battery charge indicator and the Eco Index, which provides a summary of driving your style from key on to key off, are in the middle. The control unit, which displays information on electric driving, such as power flows during acceleration and coasting and scheduled charging operations, is on the left. Finally, the E-shifter is on the right. This is used to start, activate the e-coasting and e-sailing functions, reverse or put the vehicle into neutral, N. The Hold, H, safety feature will engage the automatic brake if you are at a standstill, and the E-shifter is in neutral, N. It is activated as soon as the seatbelt is unbuckled and the driver's door is opened. Using the mechanical parking brake is always required for added safety. When you start the electric motor, the first thing you will notice is the lack of noise. With the E-shifter selector in position N, turn the key to the key on position. Hold the brake pedal down and turn it another half turn. The vehicle will be ready to start when Ready appears on the instrument panel. Turn the selector switch to the D, drive, or R, reverse position to drive off after having released the handbrake and fastened the seatbelt. The vehicle will not move when the E-shifter is turned to D or R unless the seatbelt is fastened. A warning will sound and the reference letter will flash on the instrument panel to warn you that it is not possible to start. Simply turn the selector back to N, fasten your seatbelt and select D or R again. The reference letter on the instrument panel will light up and stay on. Then you can start moving. You can open the door to check the surrounding area or release the seatbelt if you need to complete a complicated maneuver in a safe area at a slow speed. You can choose either, but be careful that the vehicle movement will be stopped if both conditions occur at the same time. Let's start off. The silence is broken only by the pedestrian alert system that emits a sound to warn pedestrians that the vehicle is approaching. It is activated when the motor starts and remains audible until a speed of 15 miles per hour, 25 kilometers per hour, or less is reached. One of the first things you'll appreciate is the excellent pickup of the motor. This is a typical feature of electric motors that can deliver all their torque right from the start, but don't get carried away. Otherwise, your available energy will suffer. In a commercial vehicle, the real advantage of having all the torque available right from the start means a pleasant driving experience, but above all, excellent response even under full load and on any type of road.